Alright, let's talk about something that could totally change your future. A world full of opportunity in advanced manufacturing and engineering. Now, you might be sitting in math class or in a computer lab feeling a little disconnected and thinking, how does any of this actually connect to a real job? Here's the thing. Those basics are your launchpad. They are the essential foundation for everything that comes next. Algebra, geometry, how to read blueprints, typing and using spreadsheets, those are the building blocks. With those skills you can dive straight into accessible entry-level roles like assembler, machine operator, or a quality control assistant. These jobs get your foot in the door, giving you invaluable hands-on experience and teaching you how things really work on the shop floor. But these roles are just the beginning. What if you want to level up and advance your career? That's where technical skills come in. Maybe you take a few classes, do an apprenticeship, or just learn on the job. Suddenly, you're in the driver's seat, running CNC machines with incredible precision, programming robotic welders, and designing intricate parts in CAD software. You'll master tools like micrometers and calipers for exacting measurements, learn the power of hydraulics, and think critically about efficiency with lean manufacturing. Now, you're qualified for high-demand jobs like CNC machinist, welder, CAD technician, and automation technician. These are rewarding, hands-on roles that pay well and offer real job security. And if you're the type who loves a good challenge and wants to keep growing, you can take your career even further.
With more training or a degree, you could be at the forefront of innovation. Programming industrial robots, working with powerful artificial intelligence, or designing digital twins of entire factories. Think about high-impact jobs like a manufacturing engineer, a robotics engineer creating automated solutions, or a plant manager overseeing the entire operation. These are the people leading teams, solving big problems, and shaping the future of how things are made. So, here's the roadmap to get there. Start with the basics, build your technical skills, and always keep pushing for more knowledge. Every step you take opens new doors, new challenges, and ultimately, bigger rewards.